This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by ellen.Zeiger. Rarely available patio home. Roof has been replaced as well as air condition and water heater. Most appliances have been replaced as well. 1-car garage and 2-car driveway. Near community pool. Eat-in kitchen with loads of cabinets. Home has 2 skylights for added light. Clubhouse has just been redecorated. It is fabulous. Full-service cafe open for breakfast and lunch. Theater, tennis courts, pickleball court, gym and so much more. Call to see. For more information, review the details below or contact ellen.Zeiger at 954-234-0920.